Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today in this video you will see how to find App Store not showing on iPhone. So let's begin. For this, what you have to do is simply scroll or swipe down your screen and you will see the search bar. On the search bar, tap for the App Store. Once you click on or type in the App Store, you will see the app and you can simply visit the app. The next procedure that you can follow is simply go to the settings and scroll to the screen time. Once you are into the screen time section, there you will see content and privacy restrictions. Click on it and click on allowed apps option. There make sure that the App Store option has been toggled on. Now click on iTunes and App Store purchases and tap on installing apps. Make sure that you have allowed the installing apps section. Once you do that, your problem will be solved, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you liked the video, hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.